Alright, back out here at Crowley Museum and Nature Center. What's really funny is these cows here, these cows will go any direction I go. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh, sure, now they're not gonna. No, here they come. Come on. Come on. Look at them. Look at them coming. Huh? Okay, now watch this. Ooh, you didn't like this, get out of my way. Okay, now, you ready for this? You ready? We're gonna run back that way. Ready? Ready, set, let's go. Let's go back this way, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Watch this. Funny. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's the funniest thing. They won't get too close, but they'll go any direction you want them to. Come on. That's just too funny. I'm a little bit out of breath and they're not. Alright, well, come see the cows at Crowley Museum. You done? You guys done following me now? Because I'm leaving. They're stacked up back there like traffic. Alright, bye guys.